Wall Street's sweating bullets. Why? Bittensor, TAO, a decentralized AI beast, is surging, but in my opinion it's still dirt cheap. Subnets are minting millions, supplies drying up, and Coinbase just lit the fuse with a listing. Price action screaming breakout. Is TAO the crypto gem they're praying you'll miss? Stick around, this could be your 2025 jackpot. Yo, what's up fam? Welcome back to Crypto Yield Pro, your go-to spot for sniffing out the crypto winners Wall Street wishes stayed buried. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Today, we're cracking open Bittensor, ticker TAO, and why it's got the suits in a panic. So, what's the deal with Bittensor? Picture this, a blockchain-powered network where AI wizards drop their best machine learning models and get paid in TAO based on how clutch they are. It's like a global AI talent show, but instead of applause, you get tokens. Why is this huge? AI's the future. Think self-driving cars, ChatGPT-level chatbots, but the big dogs like OpenAI hog the spotlight with their walled-off centralized setups. Bittensor? It's the rebel flipping the script, open, decentralized, and built for the people. Wall Street hates that. Let's zoom out for a sec. AI's taking over. $400 billion market by 2027, they say, but it's a rigged game. Centralized giants control the data, the tech, the power. That's where the decentralized AI wave crashes in, and Bittensor's riding it like a pro surfer. This isn't just hype. Decentralized AI spreads the wealth, literally. No fat cat CEO calls the shots. It's a network of brainiacs worldwide pooling their genius. Faster breakthroughs, no chokeholds, pure innovation. Bittensor's already rocking over 30 subnets. Think of M as mini AI labs tackling stuff like text generation or image recognition. Each one's a powerhouse, and together, they're a juggernaut Wall Street can't touch. Okay, let's get into what makes Bittensor the real deal. The subnet model. Imagine these subnets as specialized squads within the Bittensor army, each laser-focused on one AI mission. Developers run these bad boys, and the network pays them TAO based on their game. Here's the wild part. These subnets aren't just nerd projects. They're cash machines. Then there's the tokenomics. Capped at 21 million TAO halvings every 4 years, and 72.5% of it staked right now. Bitcoin vibes, right? And liquid supply? Shrinking fast. Holders are eating good, and that's just the start. Let's talk cold hard numbers. Bittensor's market cap's chilling at $2 to $4 billion. Sounds decent, right? Now peep OpenAI at a $200 billion plus valuation. One's a centralized dinosaur. The other's a lean, decentralized machine. Something's off here. Analysts are saying each Bittensor subnet could be worth $5 to $10 billion if spun off solo. With 30 plus subnets, do the math. That's $150 to $300 billion potential, and the market's sleeping on it. Why? It's a brain bender. AI plus blockchain isn't your average meme coin. But for us degenerates who get it, this mismatch is a neon sign screaming, undervalued as F. Wall Street's hoping you don't notice. Economics 101 fam. Supply and demand. TAO's capped at 21 million, having hits around 2027, and 72% is locked up in staking. That leaves, what? 28% floating around? Peanuts. Demand spiking too. More devs jump in. More TAO gets staked for subnet action and governance. It's getting tougher to snag this coin. The DTAO upgrade's about to juice the demand even more. More on that soon. Point is, supply's tightening while the network's blowing up. That's a recipe for a price pump, and we're early. Let's hit the gas. Recent developments are insane. First, the DTAO upgrade. DTAO flips Bittensor into a subnet-driven beast. It's shifting from a TAO-heavy system to a free market vibe where subnets set their own value. That's rocket fuel for growth. Then, recently Coinbase dropped a bomb. TAO's getting listed. That's adoption. Now, pair that with the AI craze and Bittensor's sitting pretty to surf this wave. And charts don't lie, fam. On the 3-day time frame, I see a huge opportunity around this $300 level. TAO found support on previous lows from 2024. RSI's climbing slowly, there's plenty of runway. And Fibonacci levels show me targets around $1,000 to $2,000 for 2025. This isn't a fluke. It's momentum. After Coinbase listing and DTAO buzz, TAO's proving it's got legs. Look, I'm not here to shill you into the poorhouse. Crypto's wild. Bittensor is young, market's choppy, and regulators could meddle. The DTAO shift? Bold but tricky. Decentralized markets aren't plug-and-play. That said, the upside is bonkers. First mover in decentralized AI? Check. Subnets printing cash? Check. Supply drying up? Triple check. If Bittensor nails this, it's not just a coin, it's a trillion-dollar ecosystem. Risks there, but the rewards got me drooling. So, why jump in today? 1. The market is waking up. DTAO is looming. Coinbase lit the match and media is sniffing around. 2. Supply is your edge. Most TAO is locked and mining's a grind. Grab it before it's gone. 3. AI's the next gold rush. Centralized models are hitting walls. Decentralized is the future, and Bittensor is leading the charge. 4. Price action is yelling go. This isn't a moon shot, it's a calculated play with monster potential. Love this deep dive? Smash that like button, drop your TAO takes in the comments, I read them all, and subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro for more daily crypto gold. Want to level up your game? My ebook, Financial Freedom. The Ultimate Beginner's Guide is your ticket, packed with DeFi and crypto hacks to stack those sats. Links in the first pinned comment. Grabbing it supports the channel so I can keep dropping daily bangers like this. Miss my last vid? It's linked in the card up there. Go peep it. Thanks for rolling with me. Stay sharp, stack profits, and I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one.